if you're experiencing issues with voice chat not working in The Sims 4, follow these simple steps to troubleshoot and resolve the problem. Step 1. Check audio settings. Navigate to the game's audio settings and ensure that the voice chat feature is enabled. Adjust the input and output device settings to make sure the correct microphone and speakers are selected. Step 2. Update audio drivers. Make sure your audio drivers are up to date. Visit the manufacturer's website for your sound card or use the driver update tool to download and install the latest drivers. Step 3. Verify game files. If the voice chat feature is still not functioning, verify the integrity of the game files through the game launcher. This process will check for any corrupted files and replace them as needed. Step 4. Check firewall and antivirus settings. Sometimes, firewalls or antivirus software can block voice chat features. Ensure that The Sims 4 is allowed through a firewall and that your antivirus isn't interfering with the game. Step 5. Restart the game and system. After making changes, restart The Sims 4 on your computer. This can help apply any new settings and resolve temporary glitches that may be affecting voice chat. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve any issues with voice chat in The Sims 4. If problems persist, consider reaching out to the game's support for further assistance.